Oh my God! Okay, I'll talk to them as soon as possible. And they didn't even change it. Oh my God. Okay, make sure that it won't happen again. Yeah, I'll make sure that it won't happen again. I am very sorry, Lovely. Goodbye. Hello? Hello, Hannah. Yes, ma'am. Is the presentation ready? The presentation is with Miss Suba and Miss Corporal, ma'am. A friend called me that our crew served them wrong orders. I want an urgent meeting at exactly 1 p.m. Okay, ma'am. I will tell them immediately that we will have an emergency meeting this afternoon, ma'am. Okay, bye. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Hello, Miss Panatulan. Yes, hello. Ma'am Pascan would like to have an emergency meeting this afternoon. Huh? Yes, ma'am. Okay, I will tell my staff. Okay, bye. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Ito ba na so nice. Ito lang wala ko paguluhan yung so nice. Good morning, ma'am. Grabe na ito. Ikaw kuan. Stop talking! Can't you see I'm in front of you? Okay, Hannah. Where's the presentation? Miss Suba and Miss Corporal had the presentation, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am, because we don't have time to finish the presentation yesterday because we received an urgent call from the HR. How come you didn't have the presentation, Miss Corporal? I gave you 2 weeks for this. But don't you worry, ma'am. I will assure you that as soon as possible, it will be finished. You better do something with this, Miss Suba. Yes, ma'am. How about you, Miss Berdin? How many applicants were hired this week? Actually, ma'am, there are 2 applicants were hired. And do you think they have enough training? Yes, ma'am, I think they have enough training. How can you say that, Miss Verdin? Even my friends complain that this branch has bad services. How about you, Miss Panatolan? I am very sorry, ma'am. I've already talked to Mr. Birangel regarding to that problem.
Excuse me, ma'am. Coffee, ma'am.
Who is this? Is this a new crew? Yes, ma'am. He is our new service crew. See, Miss Verdin? How can you hire incompetent people? Wake up, guys! I need your cooperation. I can't run this company alone. And I need you guys to do your best. Come on, guys. Suggestion? I suggest, ma'am, that we will have a suggestion box for our customers so that they can suggest about for the best of our company. Yeah, good. That's a very good suggestion, Ms. Luisma. Guys, after this meeting, I expect improvements from all of you. There's no room for mistakes now, and I hope you learn from it. Ms. Verdin, I trust you, and I know you are very competent in your position. But I need you to find applicants that are more deserving and that suit for their job. And you, Ms. Panatolan, I expect more from you. I hired you as branch manager of this company because I trust you. But make sure that you monitor all of the staff, crew, and customers before complaints happen. And you, Ms. Secretary, when I call you, make sure the presentation is really ready. And the 2 of you, Ms. Corporal and Ms. Suba, I know you 2 have the skills and the talent. But please, don't be lazy. Please try all your best to do your job. We know that I can't run this company alone. So let's go back to work. Meeting adjourned. Yes, ma'am.